Hello, this is your weekly Beverage Industry News Summary by Liquid Brands Management. If you're interested in beverage and consumer good products development, call 619-722-5033. Starbucks shares fell during after-hours trading following news that longtime leader Howard Schultz will be stepping down this month, but the stock is still a buy, according to USB. News by Natasha Turek, CNBC.com. Train Brewing releases 99-calorie beer. News by BevIndustry.com. Taco Bell tests Frozé at 2 Cantina locations. The slushy beverage infused with frosé wine is on offer in Chicago and Southern California. News by Nancy Luna, NRN.com. Petal Sparkling Botanical Blend has consumers stop and drink the roses. Petal identifies itself as a sparkling botanical blend in the world of better-for-you beverages. News by Mary Ellen Shoup, BeverageDaily.com. Consumers struggling to get their daily intake of veggies have a new option, a broccoli latte. News by Lester One, BeverageDaily.com. Arca Continental from Monterrey, Mexico, one of the largest Coca-Cola bottlers, announced that it will build a new production and distribution facility in Houston, Texas, through its subsidiary Coca-Cola Southwest Beverages. News by BevIndustry.com. Transparent drink called Coca-Cola Clear is scheduled to hit shelves nationwide in Japan on early June 2018. News by Rachel Arthur, BeverageDaily.com. After 7 years of partnership, Starbucks has signed a new 21-year licensing agreement with dairy cooperative Arla Foods for the Europe, Middle East, and Africa region. News by Jim Gurnall, BeverageDaily.com. Coca-Cola will debut its Fairlife Ultra-Filter milk in Canada by late 2018, with a new production facility to follow in Ontario by 2020. News by Beth Newhart, BeverageDaily.com. Beverage packaging design trends in 2018 include minimalism, contemporary calligraphy, and sustainability, to name a few. News by Nika Goddard, Drinkpreneur.com. These beverage industry headlines have been compiled for you by Jorge Olson's Liquid Brands Management team. If you're interested in beverage and consumer good products development, call us at 619-722-5033. Thank you very much for listening and have a great week.